So we're going to be looking at the advantages of using IT with data in terms of storing, and then the disadvantages. So let's talk about the advantages. The first one is it takes up less storage space than old time. Old school used to have filing cabinets which kept all your data, which takes up physical storage space of a room, makes it smaller. But in modern day offices, you don't need that because everything is stored on computers. So less physical storage space, it means you can have smaller offices, it could be cheaper to run. Great, happy days. Another advantage is how easy it is to copy data. So if I wanted to copy a picture, I could simply copy and then paste it somewhere. If I wanted to copy 700 pictures, I can highlight all 700 pictures, copy and paste it. But old school, you would need a photocopier, and you have to photocopy it, each picture one at a time, and that takes time. So it's faster and quicker, well, faster and easier to copy, much easier than using a photocopier. And next advantage is backup. So backups can be performed quickly. If I've got work on my computer, I can back it up to another computer, I can back it up onto the internet. So just in case my laptop blows up, I can still have it on the internet. I can put it on the cloud. I could back it up onto a CD. I can put it into a fireproof safe. Whereas paper, you can't really do that. So it's much easier to back up. It's quick to back up. I can even back it up to different computers in different countries, and it's going to be secure as well. So it's securing my data, easier to back up. The next one is transferring data to different networks. So the moment I send an email with like an attachment of my work, it goes to a different computer, to a different network. So it goes from my network to someone else's network. To give you an idea of that, let me quickly show you. This is me and my little house right now. I send an email and it goes, let's say I'm emailing my school email, it'll go to the school network. So it's easily transferred the data. Whereas in the olden days, to transfer data, you would have to send it by mail, which takes time. Another advantage is how fast it is to search for data. So let's take a library. If I wanted to see if a book is in a library, I go to the library, I can type in the name of the book and it will tell me if it's there. Before the days of data being on a computer, you would have to go through every single book in that area to see if you can find the book. That takes time. So it's so much faster to access stored data because you can do searches. Finally, you can actually make your data really secure. You can automatically turn it into secret code. So let's say, for example, I'm working on a story and I don't want anyone, it's going to be the next Harry Potter and the 11 Tales. Yeah, why not? And I share my computer with my family, but I don't want them to see it. So what I can do is, after I've saved it, I can turn it into encrypted data. It scrambles up all the letters. That way they can't see and read the story. A lot of companies do that with financial information. If I was sending my bank details to a different network by email, I would encrypt it first, scramble it all up so no one could hack it and see it. So that's another advantage of having data on an IT system. The next video is going to look at the disadvantages. Let's see.